Okay, well I've got the fridge out of the Romahome. This is the Hi Jet Romahome. I've taken the fridge out because there's a gas leak. I turned it on and I could smell gas straight away, so I turned it off again, and I didn't use the gas, but when we got back I've taken it apart, and this is what I've found. If I turn the gas on now for the fridge, you can see that leak there. That's why you need to replace these flexible hoses at regular intervals. The one on the cooker doesn't leak, which is up there, but I'm going to change it anyway.